The Solidify Plies feature has several enhancements. In the composite environment, solidification and IML are now significantly improved. Complex composite layups are solidified with a better performance. The geometry of plies above and below the cores, as well as the creation of core taper geometry, is significantly improved. When using composite solidification and IML, you can now include the ply drop-off geometry. That makes the resulting solid an even more accurate representation of the laminate design. Additionally, the solidification process is enhanced to handle local radii in the layup surface that are smaller than the thickness of the local ply stack-up. These small radii are collapsed into sharp corners. This enhancement works for both constant and variable radii, resulting in partial sharp corners that automatically transition into the correct local thickness offset. These enhancements improve the quality of the laminate solidification and provide a more accurate representation of the laminate design for downstream usage. This also improves the user experience and productivity by delivering a more robust, higher quality, and better performing solidification feature.